Insomnia is a common sleep disorder that affects millions of people worldwide. It can manifest in various forms, from difficulty falling asleep to waking up too early or feeling tired and unrefreshed upon waking. If you're one of the millions of people who suffer from insomnia, you know how challenging it can be to function during the day when you're not getting enough sleep. Fortunately, there are simple and effective ways to treat insomnia that can help you get the restful, rejuvenating sleep you need. In this video, we'll explore some actionable steps you can take to treat insomnia easily and effectively. Step 1. Establish a regular sleep schedule. One of the most effective ways to treat insomnia is to establish a regular sleep schedule. This means going to bed and waking up at the same time every day, even on weekends. This helps regulate your body's natural sleep-wake cycle, making it easier to fall asleep and stay asleep. Step 2. Create a bedtime routine. Creating a bedtime routine can help signal to your body that it's time to wind down and get ready for sleep. This routine can include things like taking a warm bath, reading a book, or practicing relaxation techniques like deep breathing or meditation. Step 3. Create a comfortable sleep environment. Your sleep environment plays a significant role in how well you sleep. Make sure your bedroom is dark, quiet, and cool. Invest in a comfortable mattress, pillows, and bedding that help regulate your body temperature and keep you comfortable throughout the night. Step 4. Limit caffeine and alcohol intake. Caffeine and alcohol can disrupt your sleep and make it harder to fall asleep and stay asleep. Limit your intake of these substances, especially in the hours leading up to bedtime. Step 5. Exercise regularly. Regular exercise can help improve the quality of your sleep. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise, such as walking or cycling, most days of the week. Just be sure to avoid exercising too close to bedtime, as this can actually interfere with your sleep. Step 6. Practice good sleep hygiene. Good sleep hygiene includes things like avoiding electronics in the bedroom, limiting daytime naps, and avoiding large meals close to bedtime. By practicing good sleep hygiene, you can help ensure that you're setting yourself up for a good night's sleep. Step 7. Consider relaxation techniques. Relaxation techniques like yoga, deep breathing, or meditation can help calm your mind and body, making it easier to fall asleep and stay asleep. Consider incorporating these techniques into your bedtime routine. Step 8. Consider therapy. If you're struggling with insomnia, consider seeking the help of a therapist. Cognitive behavioral therapy for insomnia, CBTI, has been shown to be highly effective in treating insomnia and can help you identify and address the underlying causes of your sleep problems. In conclusion, insomnia can be a challenging and frustrating condition to deal with, but there are many effective ways to treat it. By establishing a regular sleep schedule, creating a bedtime routine, and practicing good sleep hygiene, you can improve the quality of your sleep and wake up feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. If you're still struggling with insomnia, consider seeking the help of a therapist who can provide you with additional strategies for treating your sleep problems. With these actionable steps, you can take control of your sleep and start getting the restful, rejuvenating sleep you need to thrive. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.